Welcome to Miniatures by Princess. Today I am showing you how to assemble my cradle kit from my Etsy store, Miniatures by Princess. First thing you want to do is take the base and put a bead of glue on the part where you're going to attach the head of the cradle. I am using wood glue, in particular Gorilla Wood glue. It just adheres better to wood. Tacky glue can get wet and come apart. Wood glue won't do that. I use pretty high quality wood with my kits. So again, you want to use the high quality glue. And here I am gluing the side. You're going to put the glue on the edge that will attach to the head of the cradle, and then the edge that will attach to the base. And line those up. It is at an angle by design, and so I flip it over to get it flush with the back, the head of the cradle. This way you get a nice clean edge on that edge. And next I'm going to attach the other side. While it's still on its side, I will eventually flip it over so you can see what I do to get that side flush. Again, bead of glue on the edge that will attach the head, and a bead of glue on the edge that will attach to the base of the cradle. And then attach that. And you can clean your glue as you go, or at the end, your choice. And then just flip it over again so you can get it that side flush as well. One of the nice things about wood glue is it does dry particularly quickly. You do have some working time with it, but it does dry quickly. And then take the foot of the cradle and put glue on the 3 edges that will attach to the base and the sides. And this gives it a nice, strong, sturdy appearance. And then I set that aside to let that cure a little bit while I make the mattress. And I use Fabric Fusion fabric glue. Any fabric glue will do. And you take the little piece of foam, put it inside the fabric piece. And then I put a little bit of glue on the foam and then fold the long edge of the fabric onto the foam. And you got to hold it because it will pop off until if you don't hold it, it will pop off, so that you have to hold it to get the glue to work. And then the other side as well. You're going to wrap this just like a package with making the little triangle flaps on the short edges so that you can fold those under. And you do have to glue each flap so the little triangles will stick as well. And just like a package right there. Make a little triangle, and then you're going to glue that over. And you may need to use like a clothespin or something to keep it from coming apart while the glue dries. And you do the other side just like the first. But I seem to be having a little bit difficulty with that one. Make sure it all is down and glued tight, and then set that back aside. Now you are going to take the cradle and turn it over. On your cradle kit, there will be 2 score lines where you will put the glue. Here I'm putting the glue directly on the rockers, which was a mistake because I put glue beyond the point where I needed it. So don't do that. I ended up having to clean a bunch of the glue up afterward. And you do that to the second one. Again, there will be a score line where you put yours. And you are pretty much done at this point, just letting everything dry, and we then put the little tiny mattress inside, and you have a beautiful little cradle for your dollhouse. And it is a working cradle. So cute. I love making this.